This is a time management tracker which I have created in Excel. This tracker is based on Eisenhower Matrix. To make the format more interesting, I have inserted few more things which you might not find in Eisenhower Matrix. Before creating the new format, let's see how it works. Hi, my name is Vijay and you are watching Office Mom. Let's start the video without any delays. On the top we have got tasks which are important and urgent. Just after that we have got task which is important but not urgent. When we come down, we have got tasks which are not important but urgent. And on the right hand side, we have got not important task and not urgent task. We have got few more things over here. Delegate for completion. Delete this task means the tasks which are not urgent can be deleted also. When we come on top, in urgent and important, we have got do immediately, and in not urgent but important, we have got plan and prioritize. I'll put some task over here and we'll see how it works. Task 1, enter. As soon as I inserted task 1, on the top and in the right hand side, we can see emoticon or emoji. Over here also we have got emoticon or emoji. Over here we have to insert our deadline date. I'll put a date over here. 1st of Jan 24. On the top we can see 0%. In the left hand side we have got tick box or check box. When I'll click over here and we'll do it, tick. The emoticon or emoji got changed. On the top, if we will notice, earlier it was 0%, now it's 8%. If I'll untick this, again it became 0%. I'll tick this, I'll drag my task down. As soon as I inserted my task, I'm able to see emoticons or emoji. I'll drag down my dates also. Currently the completion is 8%. I'll complete few more tasks and you'll notice the bar or the graph is getting changed or getting increased. Just notice emoticon over here. When I completed 75% of my task, in the left hand side we can see good job and emoticon also got changed. Means it's an achievement for me. When we come to right hand side, over here 9 tasks are done and 3 are pending. Let's come to left hand side. I'll untick all my tasks. We'll come to right hand side and over here 12 tasks are pending. If I come to left and complete few tasks and come to right hand side, pending task got reduced to 10 and done task it's 2 now. Over here we have got a calendar. In my calendar I have marked my Saturdays and Sundays and also my holidays. To keep Saturdays, Sundays and holidays highlighted, my main motto is planning. Means we can't plan any task on these days. From here we can change the calendar also. I'll select January and all the Saturdays and Sundays of January got highlighted. Even the holidays of January got highlighted. To create this format, we will need some data and the data is our months, years and our holidays list. The calendar which we can see in our matrix is the same what we have got over here. Let's start creating a new format now. I have opened a new workbook. We'll rename the sheet as settings. We'll take column A closer. In the very beginning, we will create calendar. I'll click on B and we'll select it D and we'll merge this together. We'll click on E and we'll select F also and we'll merge this. We'll drag this. Now I'll select all and we'll put some color. We'll change the font color. This will be January. This will be 2024. I'll click next to 2024 and we'll insert my formula and the formula will be plus or equal to date value bracket open double inverted comma 1 double inverted comma close and we'll click on month and we'll click on year. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. I got some random figure. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. I got 1st Jan 24. We'll click on B3 and we'll type Monday MON. Enter. We'll align this in center. We'll drag this till end. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders. We'll select this and we'll create outside border. We'll click on Monday and we'll select till 9. We'll press Shift Ctrl right arrow key and we'll create borders. Now we will do one thing. We will click on first date and we'll unmerge the cells. We'll align this in center. We'll click next to first date and we'll insert the formula or function of weekday plus or equal to weekday bracket open serial number. I'll click on first date comma. Over here we have got few options. I'll select number 3, number 0, Monday through Sunday 6. I'll click over here. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got some random date. We'll click over here. We'll press Ctrl 1 We'll go to General and we'll do OK. We can see 0 over here. Now I'll click just under Monday and will insert my formula, and the formula will be plus or equal to, we'll click on first date, minus, we'll click on 0, enter. We got 1st Jan 24. We'll align this in center. We'll select all, we'll press Ctrl 1, we'll go to custom, we'll delete general and we'll put DD, means D 2 times, and we'll do OK. We can see 0, 1 over here. Let's come to second day, plus or equal to first date plus 1, enter. We'll align this in center. We'll drag this till Sunday. Now I'll click just under first date, plus or equal to, we'll click on last day of the week, enter. We'll align this in center. So we can see 07 over here and 07 over here also. Let's go to formula bar and let's put plus 1, enter. Now I'll drag this down. We'll select all the dates from Tuesday to Sunday and we'll drag this down. Now we can see our calendar from 1st till 31st. But after 31st also we have got some dates. So we will have to use some conditional formatting over here. We'll select all the dates. We'll click on first date. We'll press Shift Ctrl, down arrow key, right arrow key. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting. From here we will select New Rule. And from the drop down we will select Classic. In case you are using Windows, you will not be getting the option of Classic. Instead, you will be diverted to next step, and that is use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we will click on first date. We'll remove both the dollars from here, is greater than EO month, means end of the month. Bracket open, we'll take this down and we'll click on first date over here, comma 0, bracket close. We'll take this on top. We'll click on drop down, we'll go to customized format. Fill, from here we will select white color and font will also be white and we will do OK. OK. So now we can't see any dates after 31st. Let's change the month from here and see what result we are going to get. I'll put March, enter. Our first date is starting from here. So we will have to use one more conditional formatting to hide these dates. We'll click just under Monday and we'll select till row number 9. We'll press Shift Ctrl, right arrow key. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. From here I'll select Classic. And from the drop down I'll select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we'll click on first date from here. We'll press function F4 3 times, is smaller than. We'll take this down and we'll click on first date. We'll take this up. We'll click on drop down, customized format, fill. From here I'll select white color and font will also be white and we'll do OK. OK. Now our calendar is working perfectly. We'll do this January, enter. So my calendar is working perfectly now. We'll highlight Saturday and Sunday. We'll highlight this in red. We'll highlight dates also. I'll change the font color as red. We'll do this bold. I'll select all my dates once again and we'll highlight today. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule. From here I'll select Classic and from the drop down I'll select Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to, we'll click on first date, we'll press function F4 3 times, is equal to today, bracket open, bracket close. We'll click on drop down, customize format, we'll go to fill and we'll select a desired color and we'll change the font color also and we'll do OK. OK. Currently we are in the month of September. If I change the month and we'll do this September, enter, today's date got automatically highlighted. We'll highlight our holidays also, but to highlight the holidays, we will need holidays list and I'll take my holidays list from my example file. We'll copy my holidays list and we'll copy months and years also. Ctrl-C or Command-C. We'll go to my blank format. We'll take this closer and we'll paste over here. Ctrl-V or Command-V. I got my holidays list also. We'll go to View, Show and we'll remove the grid lines. Now let's highlight our holidays. We'll select all the dates. We'll go to Home, Conditional Formatting, New Rule, Classic, Use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to match, bracket open, we'll click on first date. We'll press function F4 3 times and the dollar will be removed, comma. We'll take this to left and we'll select all the dates of my holidays from top, comma, 0. We'll close the bracket. We'll click on drop down, customized format, fill. From here I'll select a desired color and font will also be desired and I'll do OK. OK. So all my holidays got highlighted in yellow. Few holidays of last month and next month are also showing over here. I have kept this intentionally because it will help me in planning. So all the things are done over here. I'll just select my calendar once again and we'll change the font style. Perfect. Let's insert a new sheet and this will be time management. We'll take column A closer. We'll click on B2 and we'll select till 16, means row number 16, and we'll merge this together. This will be important. Enter. We'll click over here. We'll go to home and we'll go to orientation and we'll do it rotate text up. We'll select the whole column and we'll change the font style. We'll increase the font size. We'll change the font color. We'll do it red. We'll reduce the size of column. We'll take column C closer. We'll click on D2 and we'll select E also and we'll merge this together. This will be urgent. Enter. This will be deadline date. We'll adjust the column size. We'll drag this down and we'll delete urgent from here. We'll select till G and we'll create borders. We'll click next to deadline and we'll select the cell which is just under this and we'll merge this together. We'll put some color over here. We'll change the font color. We'll select all and we'll select till 16 and we'll create borders. We'll click on B4 and we'll select E also and we'll merge this together. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. This will be do immediately. Enter. We'll put color over here also. We'll change the font color. This will be date and this will be level. Enter. We'll align all the things in center. We'll click just on top of level. This will be satisfaction. Means it became satisfaction level. We'll click just under do immediately and we'll select till end. We'll go to insert and over here we get the option of checkbox. I'll click over here. In case you haven't got the option of checkbox, you can put yes or no over here. I'll increase column size. This will be task 1. Enter. We'll drag this till end. So we have got nearly 12 tasks. In case you want to increase more tasks, it's totally up to you. Date. I'll take some random date over here. Enter. We'll click on top. We'll go to home. We'll align all the things in center. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to date and we'll select a desired date format and we'll do OK. Now I'll drag this down. When we will click on the box, we will be able to see tick. We will select from top to bottom. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, highlight cell rule, equal to, and over here we will type true. We'll click on drop down, customize format, fill. In fill we will keep no color. We'll go to font and we'll do it as green and we'll do OK. OK. So whenever it will be tick, it will be automatically highlighted in green. We'll select all the tasks and all the dates. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, new rule. From here we will select classic. And from the drop down we will select use a formula to determine which cells to format. And the formula will be plus or equal to. We will click on first task. We'll press function F4 2 times is equal to true. We'll click on drop down, customize format. In fonts we get the option of strike through. I'll tick this and we'll do OK. But let's choose a color from here. Let's do it green. OK. OK. So whenever we will click on any task, means when the task will be done and we will tick over here, strike through will be done automatically. We'll go to view, show, and we'll remove the grid lines. Let's come to level. I'll insert the formula over here and the formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open, we'll click on my checkbox is equal to false, comma. If this will be false, what we want? We will put some emoticon or emoji over here. So I'll put double inverted comma and we'll open my emoticons and we'll select a desired emoticon. We'll close this. We'll close double inverted comma, comma. If the checkbox will not be ticked, we will be getting this emoticon, and if the checkbox will be ticked, we want another emoticon. So I'll open my emoticons once again, and from here I'll search trophy. We'll select this, we'll close this, we'll delete one, we'll take this in double inverted commas. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We'll align all the things in center by going in home. So if this will be unticked, the emoticon will be different, and when the task will be completed, emoticon will change. I'll untick this. What will happen if I'll delete my task from here? We are able to see emoticon now also. I'll click over here, we'll go to formula bar. If bracket open, we'll click on task is equal to blank. If the task will be blank, what we want in return? In return we want blank. So I'll put double inverted comma twice once again, comma. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. Perfect. Now I'll drag this down. We'll untick this. So whenever there will be no task, it will be blank. I'll undo this. We'll put some task over here. We'll click just under deadline date and we'll insert our formula. Plus or equal to count if bracket open range. This is my range. So I'll select from top to bottom, comma, double inverted comma true, double inverted comma close, bracket close, divided by count A, bracket open. We'll select all checkboxes once again. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got our figures in date format. We'll press Ctrl 1 and we'll select percentage. Decimal places I'll do 0 and we'll do OK. We'll put red color over here. We'll go to home, conditional formatting, we'll go to data bars and we select green bar. We'll go to conditional formatting once again, data bars, more rules. Here we get the option of minimum and maximum. Currently we can see automatic in both the places. I'll click on drop down and we'll select number. First number will be 0, means first value will be 0. In second also I'll select number. We'll delete 0 and we'll put 1. Positive values green, negative values in red, and we'll do OK. Now whenever the task will be complete, our graph will keep on changing. I'll untick few tasks. We'll click on percentage once again and we'll insert one more criteria of if. We'll go in formula bar, if bracket open, count A, bracket open, we'll select all the tasks from top to bottom, bracket close is equal to 0, comma, double inverted comma twice for blank, comma. If there will be no task, we want this cell to be blank. Only reason I have inserted this criteria of if and count A. We'll come to the end, we'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. If I'll delete all the tasks from here, nothing will be visible. I'll undo this. One more formula is pending and we will put it over here. Plus or equal to if bracket open. We'll click on percentage is equal to blank. For blank I'll put double inverted comma twice. If this will be blank, in return I want blank. So I'll put double inverted comma twice once again, comma. From here our real formula will start. If bracket open. We'll click on percentage is smaller than 25%, comma. If this will be smaller than 25%, I'll put some emoticon. So I'll put double inverted comma, we'll open my emoticon box or emoticon window and we'll select this. We'll insert this emoticon 5 times. We'll close this, double inverted comma close, comma. If bracket open, we'll click on percentage once again, is smaller than 75%, comma, double inverted comma. We'll open emoticon box or emoticon window once again and we'll select smiley. We'll insert it 5 times, double inverted comma close, comma. We'll take this on top and we'll select the emoticon of celebration. We'll insert it 5 times. We'll close this, we'll put space and we'll type good job, double inverted comma close, bracket close. We will close the bracket 3 times because we have inserted if 3 times, 1, 2 and 3, and we'll hit enter. We'll untick few tasks and emoticon got changed. We'll tick all the tasks and we can see good job on 75% and above. Now I'll untick all the boxes. We'll delete all the dates and we'll delete all the tasks. We'll copy this, Ctrl-C or Command-C. We'll take column H closer and we'll paste over here, Ctrl-V or Command-V. We'll adjust the column sizes. We'll select this and we'll adjust the column size. This is not urgent. Enter. We'll adjust column size once again. We'll change color over here. We'll change color of this also. This will be red. This was do immediately. This will be plan and prioritize. Enter. We'll copy this, means we will copy both. Control C or Command C. We'll leave row number 17 blank and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. We'll take row number 17 closer. We'll copy this. Control C or Command C and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. We'll come down. This will be not important. Enter. We'll change the font color. We'll do this green. We'll change color over here also. And we'll change color over here also. This will be delegate for completion. And this will be delete this task. Enter. We'll go on top. So all the things are done over here. We'll come to right hand side. We'll take column M closer. We'll select N2. We'll select till row number 4. We'll merge this together. We'll drag this till P. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll create borders. We'll increase the column size. This will be priority. We'll select all three and we'll increase font size. This will be done and this will be pending. Enter. We'll come to left. We'll copy this. Control C or Command C and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. Enter. We'll copy, plan and prioritize. Control C or Command C and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. We'll copy this. Control C or Command C and we'll paste over here. Enter. We will copy this also. Control C or Command C and we'll paste over here. Control V or Command V. We'll come to right. We'll select all and we'll create borders. For done, the formula will be plus or equal to count if bracket open range. We'll come to left and we'll select all the tick boxes of urgent, means important and urgent. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the range will be logged, comma, double inverted comma, true, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We can see 0. We'll align all the things in center. We'll select this. We'll press Ctrl 1. We'll go to custom. We'll remove general and we'll put hash, semicolon, hash, semicolon, dash, and we will do OK. So now we can see dash instead of 0. Plan and prioritize. Formula will be plus or equal to count if bracket open. We'll come to left and we'll select all the checkboxes of not urgent but important. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the range will be logged, comma, double inverted comma, true, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Why I am inserting true and false over here? When we will click on checkbox, in formula bar we can see false, means when it's untick it's false and whenever it will be tick it's true. Only reason I am inserting true and false everywhere. I'll untick this. Delegate for completion. Formula will be plus or equal to count if bracket open. We'll come to left and we'll select this from top to bottom, comma, let's lock our range first, function F4, comma, double inverted comma, true, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Everywhere we have inserted count if, but our range got changed. Plus or equal to count if bracket open. We will select checkboxes of not urgent, not important. We'll press F4 or function F4 and the range will be logged, comma, double inverted comma, true, double inverted comma, close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We'll go on top. So all the things are done. Only we have to insert the formulas of pending. And the formula will be plus or equal to count A, bracket open. We'll go to left and we'll select all the tasks. We'll close the bracket, minus, we'll come to right and we'll click on done, enter. In rest of the cells, formula will be same, only the range will change. The same way what we have done over here. Plus or equal to count A, bracket open. We'll select this from top to bottom. We'll close the bracket, minus, we'll click over here, enter. Plus or equal to count A, bracket open. We'll come to left. We'll select all the tasks from top to bottom. We'll close the bracket, minus, we'll come to right and we'll click over here, enter. Plus or equal to count A, bracket open. We'll select all the tasks. We'll close the bracket, minus, we'll click over here, enter. All the formulas are done. Now we will click over here and we'll select next cell also. We'll merge this together. We'll put some color. We'll change the font color. We'll drag this. We'll click over here. we'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list. Source, I'll go to my setting sheet, we'll take this to left and we'll select months from top to bottom and we'll do OK. Drop down of months got created, I'll select January. We'll select all three, we'll go to home and we'll increase the font size. We'll click over here, we'll go to data validation. From here I'll select list. Source, we'll go to setting sheet, we'll take this to left and we'll select years from top to bottom and we'll do OK. So the drop down of years got created, we'll select 2024. Now I'll go to my setting sheet, we'll click on September, means the month's name plus or equal to, we'll go to my time management sheet and we'll click over here, means I'll connect calendar of settings from here, enter. We got some error. When we check in formula bar, it's taking a range. So I'll delete last cell reference from here and we'll hit enter. Perfect. In year also, plus or equal to, we'll go to time management sheet and we'll click on year. If we see in formula bar, over here also it's taking the range because I have merged two cells. So I'll delete last cell reference and we'll hit enter. Perfect. Currently it's January. I'll go to time management and we'll do this February. And when I go to my setting sheet, month over here also got changed. Now I'll copy my calendar, Ctrl+C or Command+C, we'll go to my time management sheet. We'll click over here, we'll right click the mouse, paste special, we'll come down and we'll select paste picture link. We'll come to right and we'll resize our calendar. Perfect. So whenever we will change calendar from here, I'll do it September and our calendar got changed. Today is 16th of September. So all the things are done and our time management tracker is ready. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. But the download option is only for channel members. You can join the channel membership to download the file. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye-bye.